Welcome to Creative Room. In this video, we'll talk about validity. And I have done my previous video on reliability. If you want to learn more, I had put down the link in the description below. Validity. Validity is the most important requirement for a psychological test or any other selection device. Validity is the determination of whether a psychological test or selection device measures what it is intended to measure. That means test is valid if it measures what it claims to be measured. There are several kinds of validity. Criterion related validity, that is further divided into two approaches, predictive validity and concurrent validity. Rational validity also divided further into two types, content validity and construct validity. Then third is the face validity. First we will talk about criterion related validity is a type of validity concerned with the relationship between test scores and job performance. For example, a psychologist working for the Air Force develops a test of radar operator proficiency. The test will be considered valid if it measures those skills needed for competent performance on the job. On way to determine this is to correlate test scores with some measure of subsequent job performance. If persons who score high on the radar operator proficiency test also perform well on the job, and if those who score low on the test performance poorly on the job, then the correlation coefficient, called in this case the validity coefficient, between the scores and job performance will be high. We will know that the test measures the skills needed to be a good radar operator and can be considered a valid predictor of job success. There are two approaches in establishing criterion related validity, that is predictive validity and concurrent validity. Predictive validity is an approach to establishing criterion related validity in which a new test is administered to all job applicants. All applicants are hired regardless of test scores, and at a later date, their test scores are correlated with a measure of job performance. In most corporations, top management is not a favor of this approach because some people hired will turn out to be poor workers. Concurrent validity. Concurrent validity is a type of validity that involves administering a test to employees already on the job and correlating their scores with job performance data. The disadvantage of this method is that by testing current workers, the validation sample contains only the better employees. Poorer workers will have already quit or been fired, demoted, or transferred. Therefore, it is difficult to establish whether the test is discriminating between good and poor workers. Another problem is that applicants for a job and employees already on the job have different motivations and are likely to perform differently on psychological tests. A study of highway maintenance workers showed that applicants demonstrated significantly higher levels of efforts and motivations to perform well on an employment test than did current workers. Second type of validity is rational validity. Rational validity is the type of validity that relates to the nature, properties, and content of a test, independent of its relationship to measures of job performance. There are two approaches to establishing the rational validity of a test are content validity and construct validity. In content validity, the test items are assessed to ensure that they adequately sample the knowledge or skills the test is designed to measure. This assessment can be accomplished by conducting a job analysis and determining if the test items are related to all those abilities needed to perform the job. For example, if your professor says you will be tested on the first 3 chapters of the book, questions about information from other chapters would not be considered content valid. Construct validity. Construct validity is a type of validity that attempts to determine the psychological characteristics measured by a test. In construct validity, we can correlate scores on the new test with scores on established tests that measure certain variables or construct. For example, intelligence or motivation. If the correlation is high, then we can have some confidence that the new test is measuring the trait it claims to be measuring. The third type of validity is face validity. Face validity is a subjective impression of how well the items on a psychological test appear to be related to the requirements of the job. It is not a statistical measure. Applicants may not take questions seriously if they think that they are not related to their job. For example, a study of 154 managers and recruiters found that cognitive ability tests containing concrete items such as vocabulary and mathematical word problems were judged to be significantly more job related. People who perceive the selection test to be high in face validity also rate the organization as more attractive and report they are more willing to recommend the organization to others as a place to work. The best psychological tests include in their manuals the results of validation studies. Without this information, the personal or human resources manager can have little confidence that the tests in the company's employee selection program are actually measuring the qualities and abilities being sought in new employees. I hope this video is really helpful for you guys. If you have any queries, you can ask in a comment section. Thank you.